forgot to press play. The injection's already happened. I'm just talking to the video. I forgot to press play, everyone.
You can say nurse and doctor, they all look all ready.
Yeah, we watched Pimple, we watch Dr. Lee, we watch Tobro now.
Do you want to give me maybe
That's
8,
it.
maybe 10?
It's going to be gone.
And it won't need a stitch, will it?
Yeah, it will.
It will,
Oh.
yeah, it should.
Oh.
We'll have about
Well, at least you don't have to
2
have 5
stitches.
people to hold her down. When she was,
With the 8, yep.
how old
Yeah.
were you, Eleanor?
4?
Thank you.
About 4 years old, she accidentally fell off the bed.
Oh,
Ooh, you're going to like this,
How are
Eleanor.
you feeling?
Can't feel it.
No
Oh,
pain?
you're going to like this.
He's using a punch.
Yep.
These guys are in the know, aren't they?
Yeah, because of Dr. Lee.
I love the punch.
Yeah.
Have you had the punch done before?
No, I've seen it on Pimple Popper.
Yeah, Dr. Lee, she's lovely.
The punch is the best. That is so old,
What?
that mole.
Okay.
She's had it since she was little.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah, when she was about 5 years old, right, she fell off the bed and sort of hit her head,
Mm.
and they needed to put a stitch in it. And it took 5 people to hold her down.
Right.
5 adults.
4 years old she was.
Wow. So,
But you don't need to do that sort of thing now.
No.
She actually is very interested in blood.
Maybe you could be a doctor.
no.
She might actually get into working in a library because she's very good at organising things.
Okay.
When it comes to organising things, she's very good.
How long do the stitches have to stay?
10 days?
Can I get them to take them out?
I would say
No,
no.
we need to.
No.
Okay.
Oh, someone else will have to do it because you might be away.
Yeah, Amy can do it.
Yeah, nurses take the stitches out. That's what we usually do. So just book in with the nurse and then we'll review the result. But I doubt it's anything suspicious. Yeah, we're only taking it off for cosmetic purposes.
Oh, because it itches
Yeah,
a lot.
and it's painful. Oh, uncomfortable.
She's very happy it's finally going to be gone.
Because it's embarrassing with bathers.
Yeah.
I mean, not that she has been for a while, but we do want to get back into swimming.
Yep.
Yeah, they didn't have any appointments, so I can't see you on Monday. Sasha will be though.
Yeah.
Well, you're a very busy person. You're popular, aren't you?
Yeah, he is. A
I'm
big,
glad he's here.
big patient
You're very
following.
caring.
Thank you.
Someone I kind of work with, she is a patient of yours.
Yeah, yeah.
She was saying that, you know, the next day after I had an appointment with her, you know, she was seeing you the next day.
Yeah.
Mum, Michelle.
Yeah. That's what they do on Pimple Popper too.
What?
They
Dab?
wipe the blood up.
Yeah.
But she loves the look of blood. It is beautiful. It's fascinating because that's what keeps us alive.
You happy with that?
Yeah, maybe one more, please. Yeah.
Okay.
No pain?
Just a little bit, but it's fine.
It's the last one, so you shouldn't.
I can deal with it.
If you deal with taking your own
Yeah.
in
No
your
problem.
own toenail out, you can
Thank
deal
you,
with
Amy.
that.
Thank you, Elena.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
Thank you.
And thank you.
No problem.
I'll just phone you.
Thank you.
I mean, I'll just take the rest and, well, I'm not taking it,
How
so it's
many-
okay.
Yeah. You got 4.
Oh, yeah.
Not too much. Yeah, not too bad.
Does she have to have a band-aid on it?
Yeah. Always keep it covered because it's on your back. It's going to be rubbing on clothes.
Yeah.
So
Oh, well, you get those ones
I'll
that
put
you
a
cut
water-
as well, so,
I'll put
If
a
she has to-
waterproof one on.
oh, that's cool. We noticed if you get those ones that you cut yourself, they're a bit better. Because the ones that you just buy already cut,
Yeah,
it's so annoying. They just come off so easily.
they do.
See you then. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Are you happy?
Yeah. It's weird because, you know, Dr. Lee, you know, she does it. She
Have a
tells
look.
her patients that,
Are
you
you
know,
okay?
yeah,
It looks like it's tied up.
no.
Yeah, but sort of.
Tells her patients that they can cut it themselves. That's why I asked.
Yeah, it depends on how far they've got to go though.
Yeah.
I mean, some of them travel like hours and hours to go and see her.
Is that American?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's very good.
Mm.
She's helped so many people with really bad, you know, like really big lipomas on their back or
Yeah.
on their, she's helped so many people, so that's good. And she doesn't charge them because
She records it.
she records it and she makes money from that, so
Oh, cool.
she can actually
So
help
she
people
does
that can't afford it.
Mm. Healthcare over there is really tricky too. It's means
Yeah.
like you got to have the means to get healthcare.
No.
All right, so try and keep this on. See if it lasts 3 days. If it does, great. If it gets wet, you'll have to take it off because it's not good to have a soggy dressing on the stitches.
Yeah, because it can get infected.
After 3 days, stitches can get wet in the shower. So have a normal shower.
Actually,
and then
she's a bath person.
have a normal bath. Then after your bath, pat it dry. Nice clean towel, maybe Mum can, and then a band-aid on or something to cover
Okay.
it.
Thank you
Hold on,
so
I'll
much.
just lower you down. I'll be a bit high.
Yeah.
I've got long legs, so it would have been fine.
Oh,
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Part of my